Welcome to our catering company, where great foods and amiable fine dining experience really does matter. Enjoy the comfort of the event and our cuisines while we provide great services to every guest. We do all kinds of catering, whether it's for wedding events, corporate events, debuts, parties, or kickoffs. You definitely need our service. We are the caterer that provides the greatest services and deliciously tasty foods at a very affordable price. Just listen to what one of our customers has to say about us.
Hey, this is Justin, and I am very pleased to be using your guys' catering service. You know, you guys had good food, excellent service, and I actually married my girlfriend, so it was a wedding service. I ordered from you guys, and I can't say enough about how good of a job you guys did.
So what are you waiting for? Give us a call, share your ideas with us, and together we will make your event successful.